Hi, I'm Jim Jubak, and welcome to this week's Trend of the Week video. Drug stocks aren't a safe haven anymore. Okay, remember way back in December, I put money into Bristol Myers Squibb. Stock is up about 23% from then, but it's been falling lately. And this is true of the drug sector as a whole. If you look at the healthcare select sector ETF, which is a ticker of XLV, is up 6% in the last 3 months. You can see that in the chart here, but it's down 4.6% in the last month. And if you go across the sector, let's look at something like Pfizer. Here you don't have so much the up is so obvious, but you certainly have a very clear down, and Pfizer is down 7.55% in the last month, and about 5% in the last week. Some of the problems with the ETF are a result of one stock, Moderna. That basically Moderna is still regarded by much of the investing market as a one-trick pony. It's a COVID stock. COVID vaccine stock. I don't think that adequately describes Moderna, but it's how the market is treating it. So Moderna is down 12.46% in the last month, and it's down almost 50% year to date. So big slump. But it's not just Moderna. You can look at other stocks which have nothing to do with COVID vaccines, like Merck. Same pattern. Merck is down 5.16% in the last month. It's true also of biotechs. The S&P Biotech ETF, which is XBI, is down 5.7% in the last month. What's going on? Well, I think part of what's going on is that people who were looking for safe havens have decided that they don't need them because the market is not going to be as volatile on the downside as they thought it was. And other people saying, hey, even drug stocks are not a safe haven if we are going to get the kind of global slowdown, as well as you had in the Inflation Reduction Act of 2022, where the government took the first steps at putting in some kind of ability to negotiate prices for Medicare, Medicaid. A lot of analysts cut their estimates. Morningstar, for example, seems to have cut all of its drug stock estimates, price targets, by about 2% across the board. Sense of that's what's going on. So all these things are rolling into the sector. So what I would suggest is two things. One is, if you think of this as a safe haven, you might want to try to find someplace else in the short term, not because I think there's anything wrong with the idea of drug stocks being a safe haven, but I think for the next few months it's not going to work that way. The other thing is, I'd take a really strong look at Moderna. I'm going to add it to the jubakpicks volatility portfolio on my paid site because Moderna's got this pipeline full of new vaccines that address respiratory viruses and other things based on their experience with their COVID vaccine coming down the pipeline. I don't think that's recognized in the price. Certainly, Morningstar says, hey, this is trading at about a 45% discount to fair value. That's the kind of thing I like in a market of any sort. So I'm going to take a look at that. We're going to add it to the portfolio and see where we get in the last year. I think short-term volatility, but sort of long-term, like it. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to get notification of when we do our next video, we're doing about 3 a week. You can go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. If you want more of my stuff, my free site, jubakpicks.com, that's got 3 portfolios on it, including one that contains Bristol Myers dividend portfolio, which has got AbbVie, which is one of the few drug stocks that's been up recently. Or you can go even more, you can go to my paid site, that's jubakam.com, which has got the volatility portfolio where I'm going to stick Moderna right now. Thanks for watching.